a sustainable future for both people and planet. For this ultimate pursuit, Hanwha's efforts to push its limits continues from the deep blue sea to the infinite boundaries of space. Our innovations serves as a compass pioneering new trajectories, propelling us towards a better future. Hanwha is ready to take a big leap forward towards space. Following the successful launch of Korean space launch vehicle NURI, with our own rocket engine and integration capability, has opened a new chapter in space program. As we look toward the unexplored frontier of space for answers, our next generation space launch vehicle program opens new horizons for the space mission. By building a total space value chain and with space-proven technologies, we are committed to deliver total space solutions. Hanwha will pioneer a new era of space so that our technologies can lead to newer possibilities for our next generation to come. A sustainable future for both people and planet. To achieve this ultimate goal, Hanwha continues to drive technological innovation. From the seabed to outer space, we explore new possibilities to make our world safer and more sustainable. Our stage will extend into limitless realms, and our future will thrive in ways we imagine. A sustainable future for the world. Hanwha will make this a reality. The innovating pioneer for a sustainable tomorrow. Hanwha.